Eggs have a secret purpose.
Yes.
Milk? Is that chocolate?
It's actually really healthy.
You can't put chocolate with eggs, Alicia.
This is a healthy
I
alternative.
never. What are they making, a smoothie?
No, it's not a smoothie.
Pudding? Ain't no way I'm eating chocolate egg pudding.
Yes,
Who's
you
eating
are.
that? Them kids aren't eating
We
that.
are.
They like it?
All right, we got to try this. So we got a food processor here. We got 2 eggs, hard boiled. 1, 2. We're going to use half a cup of this almond milk. We're going to use a 1/4 cup of this cacao powder. Add a touch of sea salt. I'm using this Redmond's real salt. And I want a little touch of sweetness, so I'm going to add 1 date. Just like a one-night stand, only 1 date. Boom. Close it up. Put the top on. Time to blend. That sounds about right. Now, it looks like we got some chocolate pudding there. Look at that. Yo, that's chocolate pudding. You can't even taste the egg. I'm definitely doing this again.